might remember my old friend Mr. End Cap. In previous video I tack welded a frame around this end cap. I thought I got it right, but it turns out that it's 3 millimeters off. So OCD I decided to cut it open again, and I took it in a more controlled environment. This is our workshop where we usually build electronics, because in here we can control the temperature. And I know temperature is a big part of TIG welding, so I decided to take this end cap in here and do the welding in this part of the workshop. So what I have to do now is to see if everything is in place and tack weld it again, and I hopefully will do this for the last time on this thing, because it's taking a long time. So I want to get it done, and yeah. Alright, so the new fuel tanks are now finally home. They are in 2 sections because we couldn't build a fuel tank in one plate. So this is one, and the other one is over here, and they are much wider than the original rocket that we have built, and part of it is underneath here and the other tanks are on top. But those are about 15 centimeters or 150 millimeters wider than the original ones, so they can handle much more fuel. So what I have to do now is to tack weld the ends so that we get the tanks in hole, and put the end cap on the top and start welding everything. So you may wonder what happened to my finger, and that's because of the trailer. We tried to pull the trailer from its roof with a car and with a winch. The problem was that the winch broke and the trailer started to go backwards, and my neighbor who's driving the car, he moved forward, so the winch went crazy, and when I tried to put the brake in the trailer, I accidentally put my hand between the winch handle, and that smacked my fingers, and now it's broken. So I got a flesh wound on top, broken finger, and yeah, 2 broken fingers.